The world is generating an incredible amount of data. Companies are relentlessly trying to bring the best out of this data to make data-driven decisions. Hence, artificial intelligence became critical to organizations in building robust and intelligent products. Software developers want to use machine learning models in their strategies and architecture, as machine learning makes it easier for them to build smart products and applications. But with no ML expertise or deployment knowledge, how can they leverage machine learning? Here comes DeepLobe AI, a machine learning API as a service platform that brings powerful ML models to your applications with simple API calls and makes them AI-powered. DeepLobe comes with a set of cloud-enabled APIs focusing on object detection, image processing, optical character recognition, and many more. Just upload your sample data and sit back. DeepLobe has got you covered by giving you ML APIs to embed in your applications. And if there is no API that covers your use case, then DeepLobe builds one specifically for you. Bring the machine learning expertise to your applications with DeepLobe, as it makes machine learning easy for everyone. For more information, or to book a free demo, please visit www.deeplobe.ai. Machine learning made easy.